Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. Located on the west coast, Karu Beach is the third longest beach in Phuket. Sandwiched between Patong to the north and Kata to the south, it is a vast and uncrowded place for those looking for some quiet time. Karu Beach has excellent snorkeling spots and clean crystal blue water that is a joy to swim in. It is also known for its buzzing nightlife. Karu has three main areas. Karu Beach Road, leading up to the beach where most of the big resorts are located. Then there is Karu Center, which is a 500-meter street in the small busy city center that has many excellent dining and shopping options for tourists. Karu Center is flanked on the beach side by the elegant Karu Circle, and on the inland side of it stands the majestic Wat Suwan Khiri Khet or Karu Temple. This beautiful Buddhist temple also hosts a famous bi-weekly local market. Things to do in Karu Beach. 1. Water sports. Hit the beach. Swim, snorkel, build sand castles with your kids or laze around on a beach bed under an umbrella. With soft white sands, no rocks or obstructions, clean blue water and a spectacular view of the horizon, Karu Beach is the perfect place to spend the day on the beach. Play volleyball on Karu Beach. It is the only beach in Phuket where volleyball nets set up every day for public use. Take a go at these, and perhaps you may even make some new friends. 2. Sunset view. Witness the sunset by going on an evening stroll across the Karu Beach Road. 3. Visit Wat Suwan Khiri Khet. Visit Wat Suwan Khiri Khet, commonly known as Karu Temple, the quaint Buddhist temple. If you go there early in the morning, can connect to your spiritual side without the hassle of crowds. 4. Bi-weekly Bazaar. Check out the bi-weekly bazaar at Karu Center for a slice of the local life and cheap souvenirs. The Karu Bazaar also provides massage centers. 5. Karu Plaza. Drop by Karu Plaza for foot reflexology instead of a massage at Karu Plaza. 6. Luan Poh Chun Road. Enjoy the night at some of the hot spots around Luan Poh Chun Road. Although not bustling, the Luan Poh Chun Road nightlife has some great restaurants. 7. Dino Park Mini Golf. Check out Dino Park Mini Golf, which lies somewhere between Karu and Kata beaches. Dino Park is a fun place for both kids and adults. It has an 18-hole mini golf course with different dinosaurs at each hole and can be easily covered in about 40 minutes. Thank you.